Hi friends, Joe Quinn from The Place in Medina. Today I wanted to welcome you into our service center here to introduce to you our certified pre-owned line of spas. Every spa that we bring in goes through a 40-point analysis and check by our technicians where we take a spa, we take the bottom off, we take the side panels off, we elevate it, we fill it with water, we check heater continuity, we check gaskets and seals, we replace filters, we replace pillows, we replace covers. We also flush and sanitize the system so you as the new owner can buy with confidence knowing that you're getting a top quality product where it's basically almost like a liquid Drano for a hot tub. We add a product called Total Cleanse Serum into the water. We let the spa run for a number of cycles, loosening up any type of buildup that might be in the plumbing lines. Then drain that water out, wash, wax, clean, detail, and then also do another refill with fresh water to ensure that there's no remnants left behind. So if you're looking at purchasing a certified pre-owned spa, it'll need some type of repair to it. So if you see that spa being sold on our showroom floor or on our website, you can know that we have done our job going through that spa from beginning to end, have a warranty that we're going to be giving you with it, and you can buy with confidence, knowing that that spa is in good, solid shape. You know, compared to other avenues to get a certified pre-owned spa, you know, you find a guy on Marketplace, you find a friend's buddy's relative that wants to, you know, hey, come buy my used tub. Just seeing this box sit outside in someone's yard filled with water empty does not tell the whole story. Here at the place, we can tell the whole story. We can elevate the spa off the ground. We can take off the sides. We can take off the bottom. We can fill the spa. We can run the spa. We can let gravity take shape and form and see what's happening underneath of it. You know, just like when you go get your car's tires rotated, they elevate your vehicle off the ground so they can move all around it. You know, they do service work from the underbelly. They can get underneath of it. We do the same thing here with our certified pre-owned spas.